Do you like Chardonnay? I do, and I think it's time we talk about it. And it happens to be the grape that Google selected for day 23 of the Advent calendar. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And it is day 23 of the Wine Advent Calendar 2024. And today we're talking about Chardonnay, everybody's favorite white grape. Not necessarily true. I think Chardonnay is either you either like Chardonnay or you hate Chardonnay. I feel like it's very polarizing. I think part of the reason it's polarizing is people only have one view of it, right? They either like these, oaky, buttery Chardonnays from California, or they hate those wines. And I don't realize that there's so many other styles of Chardonnay that are across the globe. Chardonnay is, it's a medium-bodied wine, white wine, no tannin, and it's medium in acid, right? So it is something that, in theory, should apply or should um, let's see, appeal. I knew there was an APP word that I'm looking for. Appeal to a wide drinking audience. I think it does. When you look at it, the flavor profile, you're usually getting lemons, citrus, apples, pineapple. And when it veers into that tropical note, if the wine is treated in oak, you will get vanilla. You will get that buttered popcorn notes, about buttered popcorn note. In France, they do great Chardonnay, lovely in Burgundy, lovely in Chablis, which we're going to talk about very soon. But again, the styles differ even within that region. The Chablis Chardonnays are lean and crisp and steely, whereas the rest of Burgundy, gets a little bigger, and more, and just a little more full in their profile. Chardonnay does well in the U.S., does well in Australia. I've had some great Argentinian Chardonnays, and I mean, it's kind of everywhere in a sense. Not quite as prevalent as Cabernet Sauvignon, but somewhat easy to grow and pretty prevalent. Actually, one of my favorite Chardonnays in the world is the Hamilton Russell Hemelinard Chardonnay from South Africa. I got to get a bottle of those. We got to get one of those on the channel. I got to get actually. I'm going to reach out to Anthony Hamilton Russell, see if he'll do an interview. But anyway, the wine we're featuring today. This is the Sebastien Dampt Chablis Premier Cru, Le Beugnons, not even close. And this is imported by the folks at Fass Selections. I don't know if I've talked about them on the channel before, but Lyle Fass does an incredible job of bringing in great wines from really small producers and brings them in. And if you get on his list, you get the ability to buy wines at fair prices and wines that are generally, he's generally ahead of the trend too. So doesn't necessarily apply to Chablis, although I think Chablis prices are steadily increasing and still a bit underpriced. But this one, anytime you see Dampt, right, whether it's Sebastien or some of the other wines that have the last name in Chablis, because it's whether it's extended family or I think he does some wines with his brother or brothers, like they're really just gorgeous wines, and a wine that will change people's opinion on Chardonnay. If you have somebody who says, I don't like Chardonnay, but I do enjoy drinking white wine, throw Chablis at them, and you might, or they might be surprised at how much they love Chardonnay. That's all I have for you today, and I hope you're enjoying this series. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, please, it would mean a lot to me, especially in the spirit of the holidays, right? Give me a little gift. Give me a little gift and subscribe, and I will see you again for tomorrow's finale.